Hello, we will talk about cancer. Cancer is a very terrible disease for humans. So people should think about how we face cancer. In this presentation, we will talk about cancer problems, treatment, and future. There are the four main contents of our presentation. First, we will talk about problems of cancer. Second, we will talk about how to treat cancer. Third, we will talk about prevention method of cancer. Last, about the future of cancer. First content is problem of cancer. There are various problems in cancer. The first problem is about the cost of cancer treatment. Treatment costs for cancer are high. If you became cancer and hospitalized, the self-burden amount the treatment experiences in Japan is amount 4 million yen monthly. Furthermore, because it takes months to treat cancer, it costs a considerable amount of money. The second problem is that cancer is hard to show symptoms. There are some types of cancer in which symptoms are difficult to appear. Even if cancer symptoms appear in cancer patients, their symptoms are similar to other diseases such as cold, so it is hard to notice. The third problem is that many people are dying by cancer. The first cause of death in Japan is cancer. In Japan, about 37 million people died of cancer in 2016.
Second content is treatment of cancer. There are three major ways to treat cancer: surgical therapy and chemotherapy and radiation therapy. First, I will explain surgical therapy. Surgical therapy is to resect cancer lesions. If there is no small transition that you do not understand by inspection, the possibility of complete recovery is high. However, even if there is a small transition unknown by inspection, it is not deleted. Also, there may be a recurrence if there is a slight metastasis. In addition, because it is a surgical operation, it takes time to heal and recover the treatment portion, and some functions of the body may be lost. Next is chemotherapy. Anti-cancer drugs are mainly used for cancer treatment. Anti-cancer drugs are effective for systemic cancer and can be expected to have synergistic effects by combining with other treatments. However, there are various side effects. It is also disadvantageous that recovery is difficult only with anti-cancer drug treatment. Next, I will explain radiation therapy. Radiation therapy is a local therapy that kills cancer cells by radiation the region area of cancer with radiation. The benefits of this treatment are less damage to the body. It is possible to treat cancer cells with complicated shapes. However, there are side effects, and basically you have to bear some burden because you need to go every day.
Third content is prevention method of cancer. There are various preventive methods for cancer. For example, improve eating habits, exercise, and smoking cessation. Eating habits are said to be related to the incidence of cancer. Too much sanitary causes stomach cancer. If we restrict salt intake, it will reduce the risk of stomach cancer. Also, it is said that vegetables and fruits contain substances effective to suppress cancer. Exercise enhances immune function, leading to cancer prevention. Obesity increases the risk of cancer. But if an obese person exercises to eliminate obesity, it can reduce the risk of cancer. Cigarettes cause various cancers. Smokers are more prone to cancer than non-smokers. Smoking cessation can reduce the risk of cancer.
Last contents are cancer now and from this. The number of people suffering from cancer in Japan is about 3 times as much as 30 years ago, and the number of deaths has doubled. However, cancer mortality rate has declined. In developed countries other than Japan, the rate of death from cancer is decreasing year by year. Diet is important to reduce cancer. This has reduced the number of people who will become cancer in the United States. Radiation therapy is a mainstream in the United States. It is less burdensome to the body compared to surgery, and it is less likely to be complicated. And medical costs are also suppressed. Treatment methods to treat cancer with concentrated ultrasound have also been developed. R&D are progressing, and it is a revolutionary thing that can be used not only for cancer but also for other diseases. There are so many ways to cure cancer and extend life. I think that it is important to look for ways that suit you and to think about cancer, including which information is right and wrong, among others.